Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is going to be a bloom collaboration organized by Resonating Art by Amy, Petra Jeanblot, Pouring Resin with Love Tina, Serendipity Resin Creations, and many others. I will have a link in the description. Make sure you watch all the very talented artists in this collaboration. I'm using Platinum 360 Plus. I'm gonna start putting this down because it's getting very hot and we don't want it getting too hot because that will be a big no-no. Because it is a hot day here today. And the hotter the room, the quicker it starts setting. Right, so that's that for that. Custom craft for the white. I've done 5 drops. Now, in this one, I'm going to add a little bit of this mica powder. It doesn't have a brand. I bought it in eBay when I was starting off. Yep, that seems to be fine. And just a little bit of interference gold to it. Both of them are going into piping bags. I'm adding some glitter to the middle, and it's from Harry and Wilma. I think that that's the middle. And we will start piping. And we're gonna make this very simple. Just circles all the way. And we're going to go like this. We will take out anything that we think it's going to be blobby, which I can tell already. And in here. All right, having done that, now we will do the pink. Sorry, my head got on the way because it always does. All right, I think that I am going to leave it at that. I'm going to go in I'm going to go like this in here, do a little swirly, and in here I'm going to go like this. And I think I'm going to leave it at that because less is more, as we all know. Just a quick torch and that's it. All right, so I will be back when that is set to do a backing on it. Bye for now. Okay, so I'm back. It's set enough for me to do a backing on it. I'm going to use magenta. I'm making sure that what's on the stick is dissolved because you don't want bits that are not. And to that, I'm going to add magenta, mica powder. And this is from Paper Mill. And like I said, you can't get it anymore, but you can get something similar from Harry and Wilma or Solid Solutions here in Australia. So I'm doing it bits by bits because I want to see how dark it is before I continue. That will do, because can't really make it any darker than that. All right, and now, having done that, I'm going to give it a torch, get rid of all these bubbles that I've created, and I will be back when this is set. Bye for now. So let's have a look at it. Oh my goodness, look at that. I'm very, very happy with that. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Doesn't cost anything and it helps my channel grow. Stay magical. Remember, we all have magic in us.